Hey you guys. So today I'm going to do something different other than my makeup tutorial that I have been doing. I'm going to show you my nightly face routine. But before we get into that, I want to start things off a little differently. I wanted to bring up something that's been on my mind lately. As you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup. This is a question that my boyfriend brings up all the time. Every time I wear makeup. And it's, you look pretty, but why do you wear makeup? Why do you feel like you need to wear makeup? You look so pretty without it. You don't need it. And it's not that I think that I need it, per se. It's not that I feel like it makes me look more pretty or anything like that. Makeup to me is something that I enjoy doing. I love doing it. It opens up that creative side of me that I used to be a painter, can no longer sit down and focus on painting now that I have my daughter who is about to be a year old. So makeup is kind of like painting, but on my face, that I can actually do without the painting on a page, because that takes more time, more focus, that I just don't have the time right now. Like, I've been trying to put up this video for days, but I just started a new job and my daughter is teething, so she is incredibly cranky. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Makeup doesn't define beauty, because I put makeup on and at the end of the day I take it off, and who am I? I'm the same person. Makeup doesn't define beauty. Beauty is within. There's all, and I feel like everybody's beautiful. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Whether you're a size 2, whether you're a size 20, everybody's beautiful. And that's really important to me that people know that. Because once you love yourself, your definition of love just changes. You see everything differently. And self-love is important to me. Everyone's beautiful. And, you can pile on as much makeup as you want and be the most gorgeous, have the most gorgeous face in the whole world. But if you have that sorry attitude, you're just mean and hateful to everyone, then are you really beautiful? I see people on the internet just hating on these women because, they're not a size 2. They're not everybody in this world is a size 2, and that doesn't make you beautiful. Who you are inside makes you beautiful, not makeup, not, your hair color, not your clothes. It's just who you are as a person makes you beautiful. As you can tell, I don't care what people think of me. I have pink hair, I wear weird clothes sometimes. Because I see myself, on the inside, I see myself as beautiful. And that's just how you gotta look at it, And I just wanted to get that out there because it's been on my mind, lately. People tell me, oh, you're so pretty without makeup. Why do you wear it? Why do you waste the time? I love doing makeup. I get to try different things all of the time. Whether it be my eye makeup, whether it be, my eyebrows, lipstick, you know, makeup is just, it's fun to me, and I love it. And anyways, let's get on. Now that I get off, I'm gonna jump off my soapbox and into the video. I'm gonna show you guys my nightly skincare routine. So obviously I'm not wearing makeup, but if I were, I would use, excuse me, I would use, you know, any makeup remover wipes that, you know, just to remove all the foundation, eyeshadow, eyebrows, just remove all that gunk. Mine are cheap makeup wipes. Cheap. They may not be the best for my skin, but it takes off the makeup. And anyways, that's as far as I'm gonna go into the makeup wipes. But of course I would take off my eyeshadow, foundation, all that jazz. And next, this is me personally. You do not have to do this. But like I said, I'm showing you my skincare routine. I don't have a lot of money for all the fancy skin products. So what I'm gonna do. Okay. I like to turn the faucet on as hot as it can go. And let that steam up. And I like to stick my face. I'm gonna fix my hair. Okay. Like I said, I like to get the faucet as hot as it can go. And then I like to stick my face close to the steam. That way the steam just opens up all of the pores in there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll be back. Okay, now that I've done that, my face is going nice and red and hot and steamy. So, depends on the mood I'm in. Sometimes I use the New Leaf exfoliating polish from Amy, which is this is what it looks like. Sometimes I use the Biore For Your Pores Deep Pore charcoal cleanser, and that's what I'm gonna go in today. So you just wet your face, apply some to your hand, and then just scrub it in. And it honestly opens up your pores and makes your face feel amazing. So wet with warm water. And again, just pump it to. We're gonna rinse with cold water to close those pores back up, because cold helps to close those pores back up. And we're gonna pat the face dry. This makes my face feel so good. It's so cold. And I just feel like my face looks better. Maybe not. Okay, now, my face tends to be extremely dry. So, after I wash my face, oh my god, my face looks so good. After I wash my face, I like to go in with the moisturizer. This Caudalie Perfect. I don't know how to say it. It's just something that I picked up from Sephora. That's what it is, if you'd like to check it out. But it's just, you know, moisturizing serum that I put on my face. That's how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to rub that in with our fingers. down the neck too. Now, I'm gonna condition my eyebrows because that's where my dry skin is, my eyebrows. This is supposed to be like an eyebrow primer, but I use it to condition my eyebrows because that's where the most dry skin is. So this is going to be the brow conditioning primer from Benefit. And I'm just going to condition my brows using this. All my dry skin lays in between my brows and like inside my brows. It's crazy. So I just condition that to get a little bit more moisture, focusing in on the eyebrows. So, yeah. And now, last but not least, this is also the Caude de Paris Venosource Cream Sorbet. It's a moisturizing sorbet. So after you put this on, or you can do this by itself. But I like to do both because, like I said, I have really dry skin. So you're just gonna apply this to your fingers. Fucking get it out. What it looks like. And that is how I do my nightly skin routine. And it's important that, you know, you take off your makeup, you wash your face every night if you're wearing makeup. Because you don't want to go to sleep with all that on, because it gets in your pores and it gets in your eyes, and it can, I've read a lot of horror stories. But anyway, so there you have it. That's my skincare routine and a little chit chat. You know, you guys, just stay positive. Love yourself. Remember, we're all beautiful. All of us. Makeup, all the fancy clothes and jewelry and all that doesn't make you beautiful. You're beautiful just the way you are. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you like this video, want to see more, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Stay beautiful. Bye.
Just come over here and